現在大家用熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎寂靜的朋友嘅導演同埋主演 ，Let's give warm welcome to Silence Friends Team。有請導演伊迪哥安怡迪 Director Indigo Engardi， 同埋主演梁朝偉 Cast Tony
I just want to say how immensely happy I am to be here. I was here the first time in Hong Kong more than 25 years ago. Standing here in Hong Kong beside this wonderful guy.
It means a lot to me too.
我通常都係咁嘅，我覺得我揀咧，我會揀導演先過劇本嘅，因為唔同嘅人，你同一個劇本交俾佢都有一個唔同嘅 interpretation。雖然嗰時我未認識佢本人，咁我就係覺得佢嘅電影，總之我好中意，我覺得一定要同呢個人合作。
I work in a very close alliance with my colleagues, with my team, and I was so glad that an A-list star like Tony Leung had this humble attention for each one of them, between you and the sound team and the camera team and so on and so on, and they were so happy.
我用咗6個月嘅時間去準備呢個角色，因為實在太多學術性嘅書要睇。我希望喺拍攝嘅時間咧，就盡可能享受晒所有嘅 moment， 就一啲負擔都冇。我從來未拍過一套戲咧係咁開心同埋咁有啟發性，我亦都跟呢啲個學咗好多嘢。